Hey guys, today I'm going to be working on my 2003 Subaru WRX's acceleration cable. Mine snapped while I was on the highway. I've already taken it apart. I should have made this video a little earlier, but it is what it is. I'll tell you what I took off, and I'll show you what I did to even get this car moving again so I could get it back here. But yeah, let's get into it. So this is what it looks like now. I'll throw some pictures up right here. And yeah, that's what it looked like before. I'll tell you how to take this off. So like right here, you're just gonna pull this up a little bit is what I did. Slide the cable out, and then it should all just pop out after that. Right now I gotta get this out. Also, this is the new part. Hopefully we can get it in. On the pedal, I'll show you how to get this off because I was confused at first too. So you're gonna need a 12mm socket to get these two bolts off. And that little yellow thing right there, right there. All you gotta do is get some pliers, and it should just come right off to the top, and you slide it out right there. I haven't gotten that far yet with the black clip right there, but that's the next thing we have to get out. So looking at the new part, I don't necessarily know how. Yeah, I think we just squeezed this off, and then we'll be able to get it off. Hopefully everything just works out. I took a 14mm socket and got that off, got that one off, and then there's two in the back as well that you just zap off, and then you can kind of just like yoink. You can come back up here. And I couldn't get these disconnected to save my life, so I'm just gonna lay the seat on that like that, and I get a little bit of extra room to just, you know, play around with. I think I'm gonna try getting this off with a pick. Give me your ass. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh yeah. Now I got more extra room to touch it. Get it closer to me. Oh, I popped it out the grommet. Oh, okay. So just pull on it. Just pull on it real hard. I'm gonna get this out. We'll grab these right here. Come over here. Cut this monstrosity that I made. Actually, I didn't just make this. I was on the side of the highway, and this guy right here, absolute legend here, he helped me basically figure out this monstrosity of a setup to basically at least pull my throttle a little bit so I can get off the highway, because, you know, a tow truck's like $150 plus you're going out on the highway, and it's just like, I really didn't want to pay that, you know, $150 for the tow. He really helped me out. Shout out to him. Shout out to the Geico, you know, service patrol, whatever, highway patrol. This shit's hard as fuck. I cannot cut this to save my life. New plan, we're just gonna cut the main line because this is America. But it's in an awkward place and I'm holding my phone. It's just... Okay, I got that shit cut. Just pull this through. So I guess if you're like me and you got this stuck right here, just push it through. And it should all come together. Yeah, there it is. Come on. There it is. Okay. Now we're just gonna grab that pedal. Come here, boy. Come here. Oh yeah. Now we got our hands on it. Now I can figure out how I'm gonna get this off. 1 second. There it is. Okay. Extend the pedal back. Grab it like this, maybe. Yeah. We got that side in. Get that side in. By the way, so when this was on here like this, I was like, oh, dude, I don't know what I'm gonna do. What the f***, it won't come off. You just come here, grab that, and it just kind of popped out like that. It seems like this is finally going. Oh my God, I think, I'm so close. I'm so close. Give it to me. Give it to me. I love how I'm playing with like my life right now. Cause like, this is a gas pedal, guys. Like, let's be so for real. We gotta be kind of careful. Okay, we got it out. All right. Also, don't ask me why. I don't like my pedal moving like that, so I zip tied it so I can shift better. But let's get this new cable installed. This old one out of this bitch. All right, the best course of action here is probably to snake it through that grommet. Probably get that through like so. Okay, as you see, we got this through. Just hook it up right there for now. We're gonna come over here and try to get this little grommet through the wall, I think, after we attach this to the gas pedal. We're just gonna slide her on through. Shit, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, where your mind? There's a charger behind me, you guys just can't see it. My neighbor, dope ass whip right there. Sick as I probably look like a weirdo right now. Alright, right there when I got that grommet on, I basically, what I had to do was get it through and then get like a pick and pry these up like forcefully, and then they would come on. Come on, come on. God damn, shit made it. Damn. Get in there. Oh my goodness. Tighter than a nun's freaking cooch, dude. Oh my goodness. Okay, we got it in there, dude. That is fucking mine. Alright, now I'm just gonna slide this shit through and hook it up. It should be pretty easy. Of course that came out because why not? Let's slide this little grommet back in. Alright, let's slide this back. Yeah, for sure. Alright, your boy didn't really think this far ahead. Oh, yeah, slide that shit through. Okay, I'm gonna get these two bolts in, get that through the firewall, and yeah, get the front figured out after that. So what I just did was I grabbed that little cone-shaped grommet that needs to be in the firewall with my finger, and I pushed my finger through the little hole with the grommet, and I think I just got it on. I think I see it right there. All right, we're gonna get these 12mm bolts attached to the gas pedal. Can you just thread? I think I got it to thread. Oh yeah. We're locked in, boys. I broke her. She just gotta, she honestly, low-key seems like she don't want to fit. I'm gonna have to smack her in. Yeah, if it doesn't go in, just give her a little love tap. Then pull this on through. Something like this. All right, now you might want to untap her out because I just up. So you need to have enough slack to do this. We're gonna, I don't know if this is the right way. It's just my way. My way or the highway, baby. Slide this girl on through. Get her in there sideways if you can. This is proving to be a difficult task, but it looks like we might get it. Oh my God. Oh my God, crazy. So we got her in like that, and we're going to hopefully get her in like that. All right, well this side looks good. Let's just get on the front. I'm thinking the grommet isn't pulled all the way through. We need just a little bit more. It seems like I think we need to loosen this. I am not qualified, like, at all. I'm simply a YouTube certified mechanic. I think that's good enough. We'll have to turn her on and see if she's idling by herself or not. I don't think these are 12 mil. Let me switch wrenches. Yo, cue the Tokyo Drift music. I'm just kidding. We're here for a 13 mil, I think. The pain in the butt to try to do. I'll be honest with you, Chief. I'm just gonna plug her in and see if she works. Make sure to really get this grommet out low key. I gotta pull a little bit harder. Let's do a little test pull. Low key, I'll probably zip tie it like this. I think we got everything situated. The test pull went well, I think. Not sure. I'll adjust it if it doesn't work out. I'll get the intercooler on, battery plugged back in, seat installed, and then we'll give it a try. All right, so I fiddled with that. I turned the car on, by the way, just to get like the perfect idling for my car specifically. I added that little thing so the belt doesn't hit that, because I think that's how it broke last time. I have driven this and oh my god, it feels like a whole different car. It feels so much faster now. Like I barely even press on the gas and it's like wanting to go. It's like, holy shit. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. A little chatter right there. Too fast. Oh yeah, now I can downshift good. Dude, like, I can't stress to you how much this is just like driving differently right now. If you guys like the video, I know it wasn't much of like a how-to. If you like it, I suggest you subscribe, you know. I'd really appreciate it. I might throw in just some like clips of me driving, just for like, I don't know, ASMR benefit, not sure, but enjoy. There's hella people here. Be the unavoidable consequences of, you know, driving with the broken acceleration cable the way I jerry-rigged it. So I might have to live with that, try to fix that. Could be the slave cylinder, I don't know. If you guys enjoyed this slight little tiny video, please hit the like, subscribe, and have a good day.